Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, children. How are you? I hope you are all safe and fine. Yes, children. Previous class, what you learned? Ascending order and descending order you learned. Yes. Today, successor and predecessor. Okay. What is that number? Lesson number 1. Numbers. Revision. What is that? Successor. Successor. What is mean by successor, children? Tell me. The successor of a number is the number that comes just after the given number. See, successor. What is meant by successor? The successor of a number is the number that comes just after the given number. Understood, children? See, predecessor. The predecessor of a number is the number that comes just before the given number. See, the successor of the successor means what? The successor of a number is the number that comes just after the given number. Okay. Predecessor of the number is the number that comes just before the given number. Write in the classwork this too. Write fast. See, children, the successor of the number is the number obtained after adding one to it. See, for example, listen carefully, children. 9 is the successor of 8. Since 8 plus 1 equal to 9. See, now 11 is the successor of 10. Since 10 plus 1 equal to 11. See, here we added 1. That's why 9 came. See, in the 8 we added 1. Okay. That's why 9 is the successor of 8. Understood, children? Here, in the 10 we added 1. That's why 11 is the successor of 10. Understood? This is example. See, just I am explaining. Okay, predecessor. First write this. What we did here in the successor? We added 1. See, the successor of the number is the number obtained after adding 1. Okay. This is example. Write in the classwork, ma. What we did here, we added 1 to 8. Understood? This number. This is the number we added 1. That's why 9 is the successor of 8. Understood? Now predecessor. Predecessor. Predecessor is the number predecessor of number is the number 1 less than the given number. See, predecessor means what? Predecessor of a number is the number 1 less than given number. If they will give 8. 8 is the predecessor of 9. What we did here? 9, since 9 minus 1 equal to 8. See, 8 is the predecessor of 9. Understood? 9 minus 1. If 9 minus 1 will, what number will come? 9 minus 1, 8. Yes. Which number will come? 8 will come. See, 13 is the predecessor of 14. Since 14 minus 1 equal to 13. Understood, children? What we did here? We did minus 1 minus we did. Okay. In the predecessor, we should do minus 1. Successor, we should do plus 1. Understood? Children, this one you should write in the classwork. Write the successor. See, children, please see carefully and you should do that. See, write the successor. Successor means what? next number, after number as C. Successor means what you have to do? You should add 1 in these numbers. Yes or no? See, 1 where will add? You should add in thousands place or hundreds place or ones place. Which place you should add? Yeah, ones place you should add 1. As here you should add 1. Now 4346 is there. As 4000 after number, which number will come? 4347. 6 plus 1, 7. 4347. What we did here? We added 1. We added 1 in this number. That's why 4347 came. As next year. Year also same. In ones place you should add 1. Okay. What is that number? 56,434. As after number 56,435 because in the 4 we added 1. Understood? 56,435 after number. Next, in this number we should add again 1 plus 1 as here. What is that? 6,76,467. After number 1 you should add 6,76,468. Understood? Here 78 lakhs 46,444. We should add 1 as 78 lakhs 46,445. We added 1. Next number came. Understood? What we did here? We added 1 plus 1. Okay. That's why we got this number. Do this. Write in the classwork. Children, write the predecessor. Sorry. See children, what you have to do? You should minus 1. Minus 1 where you will do? In the ones place only you should do minus 1. Okay. See here 7,464 is there. In this number you should do minus 1. In the 4, 1 should minus. 3 will come. As what is that number? 7,463. Okay. Next year also same. What is that number here have? 8,44,643. In this you should do minus 1. As 8,44,642. In the 3, 1 should minus 2. Understood? Again, here 9,60,779 minus 1. 9,60,778. 9 minus 1, 8. Yes or no? Here. See here. 6 crore 78 lakhs 49,843 minus 1. 6 crores 78 lakhs 49,842, because in these three one should minus before number came. Understood, children? Do it. Write in the classwork, ma. Do. After number, before number also same like this only, children. You should do minus 1. You will get before number. As after number means plus you should do. See, children? Write the number which comes between, in between number you should find. Okay. See here, children. In these numbers, between number you should find. As after this number, which number will come? See, 45,646 after 45,647. After that, 45,648. Here, what is this? 94 lakhs 64,679. After 94,064 lakhs 680. Yes or no? Next year, 78,060. Sorry. 76 lakhs 64,017. See, 78 lakhs 64,018. 19 here came, here 18. Here 2 lakhs 93,464. Next number 2 lakhs 93,465. Understood, children? Here we added 1. In this number 1 we get next number. We got next number. Yes or no? If we add in this number 1, we got next number. Children, this is your homework. You should take screenshot and you should write. Five bits, okay? These 5 bits you should write. This is your homework, children. Do it. You should do your homework in time, children.